there have been a few heated exchanges, but we've not quite come to blows yet.
Of course, I would rather come to blows at once, but we must bide our time until the moment is right to strike.
Come to blows means to engage in a physical fight or conflict.
I'm so hungry I could eat a horse.
I could eat a horse.
I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. No!
Could eat a horse means very hungry, having a strong appetite.
Coming up. Down and out, come on.
Gone down and out with both guns blazing.
Black Dynamite, I want to thank you for taking care of us girls while we was down and out and ain't have no pimp.
Down and out in a state of poverty or destitution.
But I'll keep an eye on you if you like, just till you find your feet.
Find your feet means to become comfortable or establish oneself in a new situation.
And for you, my friend, I will let you have all the decorations you want for a song.
And August could get any act for a song.
I got these for a song off the web.
For a song means very cheap or at a low cost.